Everybody, let's go.
Hi guys, Mark Orina, cloud engineer. What am I excited about during this Decode? Just meeting people from Oracle, AWS, and just having fun. What have I learned? AWS powers Bundesliga, and they transmit a lot of data in terms of football data to live streaming, and also just the data from football. So I think that was really interesting, and also just how to use AI models within my industry, and also just for innovation. So that was really, really cool. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Justin Manya. I am a data enthusiast, and my takeaway from this session is that from the panels that we are having, from Colonel Kimuyu, is that all of us in this space, we are not safe. Even with our data, we are not safe, and that's why we need to take greater cautions in everything that we do. And my takeaway is that even as we continue in this digital transformation journey, we have to take caution. Everywhere there are potholes, just like on a road. Let us take caution in everything that we do so that we don't get pwned. I was looking for, there's a website here called haveibeenpwned.com. This is a website you can go and look. You just enter your email. It's called Have I Been Pwned? This one. Go put your email and check, see whether someone has ever tried to attack you through your mail. That is it.
All right, hello. I hope you're feeling well. Thank you so much for those who join us today. The morning session of day 2, Decode 3.0 East African edition. So we've had amazing conversations at the Air Arena where I was co-hosting with one and only Asila. He's just over there as I'm speaking. And it's been such an intellectual conversation and a moment. Esther, our boss, Chief Financial Services Officer, she opened up the session for us. Talked a lot about what you're doing around M-Pesa, just the evolution from a simple P2P platform to now what's become an ecosystem, give an emphasis around what you're doing around InsurTech, and also just what you've been able to launch recently around investments, that is ZD, the platform. We've had also a panel from Victor, we had Jimmy, and we had Dennis, yes, from MPA, Victor from Safaricom, Jimmy is from NCBA Loop. Again, a very intense conversation. I was glad and happy. It's such an honor to host them. These are some of our tech leaders. They've done so much already in the industry. And just about what is the strategy ahead in terms of payments, how is AI playing a big role around this, and what are the big tickets on some of the trends that you're going to be seeing as this evolves. So yeah, and we finished with a lot of demos from MP Africa, some of the squads within FS, credit to be specific, and what you're just doing around this space, and use of a lot of data, AI to be able to bring some of the amazing customer experiences to the market. Yeah, so it's been exciting. The room was super packed. We couldn't have enough seats. I think we kept looking for seats. I mean, guys are just packed and they've been stuck here all the way to, I think it's like almost 2 p.m. Right from 9:30, 10 p.m., 10 in the morning. I think it just shows that there's appetite for this kind of conversations in the industry. And as Safaricom, we are proud to be on the front line to push the boundaries, to look at some of these groundbreaking technologies that you can use to be able to change the experiences of customers in a way that actually brings also value to the businesses that we work with, all our partners, and even in compliance with the regulations that we have in place. So yeah, I hope you're excited, and if you're in Surrey, please make your way to the Air Arena. We're still here today, day 2. Afternoon is also packed, and also going to be finishing tomorrow on day 3 as we look at all matters fintech, AI, payments, data, and it's just so amazing. So happy to host you guys. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Curtis, all the way from Uganda, and I'm here at the Safaricom Decode 3.0. So I've been privileged to be in the water tribe, which is the blue. So the talk of the day has been on cybersecurity adaptability, and resilience. We just came off a panel discussion on navigating cyber attacks. It was a very insightful session. We had speakers from Microsoft, Safaricom, and copycats. I think the thing that stood out to me was something new that I picked out. There was a focus on governance, that we should learn to learn about governance and frameworks as we also secure ourselves.
Hi, my name is Curtis Okello. I'm a junior penetration tester. I'm still in university. I attended the water session, or the water for cybersecurity. Had a really enlightening moment with Jaylene and Lawrence. They taught us a lot about cybersecurity and what to expect as students when you step into the career field. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Dulel Mageni, software engineer and game developer at KCA University. It's my second day here. I'm on Team Air, as you can see. Second day here, and I've learned so much about AI and education. Yesterday we did a session on educating people who are remote or very far and can't reach access to books or learning material. So we learned how we close the gap, how we can teach that, and how we can access internet to help those people. And that was my take on the event. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rachel Maina. I do backend at ALX, and I am a computer science student at Cooperative. I came to Decode to learn about Safaricom and I don't know the data centers stuff. It's very interesting. I've connected with a lot of people, and yeah, you should come to the next one.
Hello, my name is Kamori Karen. I'm currently a student at ALX pursuing data science, and I'm also in my final year of computer science at the University of Nairobi. I'm so glad to be here at the Decode. So one of the best moments that I have gotten to learn from the AI segment was the new products by Safaricom, specifically ZD, which is a money market fund. Also, I've gotten to learn that they're planning to introduce insurance, which is a great thing so that we can insure our devices. And the sessions have been quite productive, and I'm hoping for more. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, my name is Hamisi Juma. I am a front-end and UI UX designer. I am from the AI session, and it was a fun session. And one thing I took from the session was don't fall in love with your baby. Basically, as you do your projects, always seek feedback and be open to get the feedback from people. So yeah, that's what I learned. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Brown Mark. I'm a developer and I'm a student from the University of Nairobi, pursuing journalism and mass communication. So today I'm here at Safaricom Decode. Happy to be here. So much exciting sessions, networking opportunity, and also engaging with the experts, knowing much. Also, I'm interested in the AI integration of everything in terms of building and coding, and bringing them in our projects and programs.
Hello, my name is Stella Oiro. I'm a software developer from Zone 01 Kisumu. So just a bit of a background about Zone 01. It's a tech hub based in Kisumu where there's a lot of peer-to-peer learning going on there, and we train software developers, full-stack software developers, and I'm amongst them. For this event, I came here to network and learn, especially on innovations and startups. And so far, so good. I've really enjoyed myself. I've really learned a lot. Especially today, I got to attend the startup session where there were a lot of panel discussions, and I got to learn who founders really are, that founders are what's in their DNA. Yeah, and that really caught my attention because some of the gems I got from there is that founders have to be curious. They need to build a community, something that I'm really working on because I'm also like a tech entrepreneur. I've been building a lot of products and trying to come up with a team and get structures set. Yeah, so today's session was just an emphasis for me that I need to keep pushing and be more resilient and not give up on my dreams. Another thing I learned is that an idea is just an idea unless you execute. Yeah. And then in the last panel, where there were a team of investors, really opened up my mind when they were talking about some of the mistakes that startups do, the founders do, that they get it wrong when it comes to market size. And the emphasis there was that be super realistic with the market size. Like, use the bottom-up approach. Clearly state these are the people you're serving, and you looking forward to scale it to this number of people. Yeah, another thing was that build with the customer in mind. Don't just build for yourself, but build with the customer in mind. I'm looking forward to the afternoon session, and yeah, what's in store for founders and startups. Otherwise, I'm really having an amazing time here, and I'm so happy that Safaricom organized the Safaricom Decode 3.0. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Faith Musango. I am from the Connect Experience and Events Company. I am also a founder of a startup that we're still working on. And there's something I learned from Sheena, from Kuza, from the startup session. She mentioned that funding in Africa may be different from how it is in the rest of the world. And she said you already have people around you investing in you, like the customers that are paying you and telling people about your product. There is the parents and the friends who are giving you money to start. So you don't have to overcomplicate it and wait for extra external funding to say that you're funded. And then one more thing was said that was really impactful for me to think about is that in Africa it might be a little hard to build a business because you're not just building one, you're building 3 or 4 others at the same time. So give yourself grace and learn as you adapt, change. I loved that session, and I'm really grateful to Safaricom for organizing this. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Daniel Miringa. I am an AI augmented engineer. What I've taken away from this session largely is the opportunity for Safaricom and M-Pesa have offered developers to present and nurture their ideas, to enable them to grow, to open them up to opportunities for funding. That has been a great takeaway from me. For me, I'm looking forward to exploring those opportunities and presenting ideas I've had for a long time, projects I've done, and looking for mentorship, looking for networks that can help nurture and grow that idea and potentially funding it into very viable products in the market. So yeah, I've really enjoyed the session, enjoyed the insights that have been brought to light by the speakers and the panelists. Yeah,